getting up. Come on, we're getting up. Come on, we're getting up. Yeah, I said that we can get going. Sent you a message, sent you an email. Hasty decisions we made still prevail.
Yo, now this is crazy. It's like 8 cars buried in the snow. Somebody up there standing on top of them filming. 8 or 9 buses buried. All on South Shore Drive. Kids out here in the middle of the street playing. Alright, now it's the 68th South Shore. Actually, there's a hill here. We don't know if it's a car under here or what. We're just gonna climb up on top of it and get some pictures and stuff. So yep.
Could contend, and we could be like those exposed to history, like staying with each other with truth and chivalry. The things we go through, they shape identity. Yes, pretty, let's do this all night. Consummate this